Hello everyone, I'm Hwang from MKT Tools. Do you want to send thousands of direct messages on Twitter every single day, automatically? Whether you're doing crypto, OFM, MMO, or digital marketing, this is one of the most powerful features you can use to scale your business instantly. Sending DMs manually is slow, painful, and nearly impossible to scale. You get tired, you waste time, and worst of all, you can only reach a tiny number of users per day. But successful marketers know one thing: DM equals money. If you can message more people, you can earn more money. That's why we built the mass direct messaging feature inside MKTX. It allows you to send personalized messages to any list of usernames automatically, safely, and at massive scale. Let me show you how it works. This is the MKTX main interface. With this software, you can manage unlimited Twitter accounts, each one running with a unique proxy. That means each account gets its own IP, allowing you to post, comment, follow, message, and perform all actions in bulk safely. Inside here, you'll see multiple functions: posting, commenting, messaging, and more. Today, we'll choose the messaging function. Here's my setup. 10 threads, meaning 10 accounts sending DMs at the same time. Each account sends 10 to 20 messages. Delay between actions, 40 to 50 seconds. Message mode? Message by profile page. I already have a profile page list prepared. If you don't have one, you can generate it using the built-in data management feature to scrape followers or followings of any account. Fast and easy. Next, I'll choose the message templates. I recommend adding multiple templates so the system can rotate messages automatically. This reduces the chance of spam detection and keeps your outreach natural. Finally, I select my accounts and click Start. As you can see on the screen, the software is now logging into accounts and sending messages completely automatically. 10,000 to 20,000 DMs per day becomes a simple task with MKTX. With MKTX, you get fully automated messaging, massive outreach power, multi-account parallel messaging, personalized spintax messages, and safe and natural human-like behavior. This gives you an unbeatable advantage in marketing and sales. And yes, this process is safe. MKTX uses real browser simulation, human-like delays, rotating messages, and proxy isolation. No API abuse, no suspicious patterns. Your accounts operate like real humans. Once you have your DM system running, you're not just messaging people, you're printing attention. With the right targeting, your DMs turn into traffic, conversations, followers, and sales. This is why top marketers use DM automation as their main moneymaker. If you want to send tens of thousands of DMs safely, automatically, and at scale, then MKTX is exactly what you need. Click the link in the description for a free demo, or contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp for setup support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Hwang Mamba Tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.